What are we waiting for, man?
Wait for it to phone you and there's so much that.
Hi, I'm Andy, the Dino. Start again.
Also a leading parts supplier here in Scotland with an online web shop. And
It's fine, just stop because the coppers are out.
oh, okay.
We're going to get the oil drainer under here. We're going to crack the drainer plug for the Outtakes and also the... Hi guys, it's Andy from the Ecotune. Hi guys, it's Andy from the... Oh, fuck me, what the fuck did I say at the start again? Hi guys, it's Andy from the... Everything was working absolutely fine. Fuck it, we need to start again. One thing I will say for any of you guys that have the MQB... Ah, fuck's sake, man.
Start again because you did the shake before. You shake as you started talking.
Most of you will know as well. Ah, fuck it. Hi guys, it's Andy here. Fuck's sake, man. You'll probably know us more for our tuning abilities. Fuck's sake. Fucking melt. Put me off. You'll come in and just look at me like...
I was walking through it and realised we're from.
Did it all hit fucking para?
Yeah, go, yeah.
There you go. I'm waiting till you leave, but... Sorry, I can't wait to take yours, man. I'll get my fucking buzz it.
He's giving all that, you know what I mean? I'm trying.
Is he actually?
Aye.
I'll tell him off.
Okay.
I'll not let him in, right?
Okay.
What was he doing?
He's just giving it all that.
Who is?
Danny. I'm Stan Ward. Oh, fuck. Sorry. This year we celebrate 10 years. Oh, fuck off, Danny.
Do you want me to tell everyone not to come in?
Danny, what are you doing? Sorry, guys.
Nah,
Hello. Oh, fuck. Ask me the question.
okay.